What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're unboxing something very special. It is an iPhone 11 Pro in the new color green, because I like green. Now, first thing, that was satisfying enough. Come on, come on. There it is. That looks amazing. And the back is actually a matte finish. Surprised. The front obviously is not. You can see the camera I'm using is another iPhone. It's got the triple lens. Yeah, it looks real nice. Now see what color stickers I get. White Apple stickers, of course. And also a SIM tool. Very nice. I'm actually going to keep this. I need it to remove SIM cards. And we get a USB Type-C charger. Very interesting. And finally, in the box, we get a charger that is a USB Type-C that converts to a Lightning adapter. Very nice. So presumably we'll plug this in here, plug that into the wall, and then charge up your phone. Also, last but definitely not least, is the Apple headphones. We all use these headphones, I know. They all sound pretty good. And they come with an Apple product, so yeah, let's just not discuss the headphones that came with other phones. Weren't quite as impressive. But when you're paying $1,300 for a phone, I expect the quality for headphones like this. Alright, now let's put everything aside. Nothing else is in the box. Definitely nothing else. Put that all aside. Oh look, there's even a little cutout in the top part of the box just for the camera. It would have gone like that. The camera just fits right in there. So we'll put the phone aside. And put the box aside, and I will set up the phone. Okay, power up the phone, hold the side button. Wait, it's not turning on. Maybe I gotta hold it for a bit longer. There it is, it turns on. I'm still surprised Apple's still using the Lightning port on their phones. I thought they would switch to USB Type-C by now. This has 3 cameras. I'm still surprised. I want this to film my videos. Right, time to connect to the studio's Wi-Fi. That does look nice, that green color. It looks even better in person. So we are connected to the studio's Wi-Fi. It's time to put my SIM card in there for now. Just for now. My old phone is Nokia 3310. Come on, come on. I'm filming a video. Work with me. Okay, continue. We'll set that up later, and also we'll set that up later, because I don't need to show you my passcode. Now let's use that include SIM tool. Poke the SIM tray, should pop right out. Yes, it does. It accepts a nano SIM, if I'm correct. Is it a nano SIM? Yeah, all iPhones do support nano SIM. Although my SIM won't fit. Oh wait, never mind. Now it does. slide that right into the slot. There it is. Don't transfer apps and data. I don't have an Apple ID. Set layer, don't use. Agree to that. Continue, 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 continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play music. Play some music. Whatever. Fine, whatever. All right, screen time, whatever. Continue, whatever. Come on. Dark mode, obviously. Continue, and Look at that. That is the new iPhone. Let's check out how the camera is. Only allow when using the app. 10 times magnification. But it's a bit blurry when you get to 10 times. Let's put something there, the sim tool. I can tell it starts to get blurry around 2 times. Actually, 3 times magnification, it starts to get a bit blurry. And wow, there's a lot of new functions in this. I don't know what that one does, but I just want to see the camera settings. That is what I'm about. I can record stereo sound in slow motion at 1080p at 240 FPS. Record video 4K at 60 FPS, obviously. Capture the area outside the frame of the photo or video to improve composition. Why not? Wait, I'm not allowed to do that. Oh, there it is. So this is actually a very nice phone. I do like it. But, yeah. I'll get to know it a bit more later. I still do like the matte finish green on the back. And the only thing that's glossy on the back are the cameras, obviously. And the Apple logo. It does look really nice. Something you probably never noticed. There's only 3 holes on the left side and 6 on the right side. Yep, so that is an unboxing and setup guide for the iPhone 11 Pro. Not that one. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and you found this helpful in your buying guide for a new iPhone. Please consider this one. I like it, actually. Although it's a bit pricey. But, wait, it's turning off. Okay. Hit that subscribe button. It's over there. It is bright red color with the words subscribe in white color. Also hit that like button. It's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And I will see you next time.